Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hot Diecast Garage, and today we're opening up the exclusive Hot Wheels cars from the Kmart event. For those of you that have a Kmart store to shop at, I hope you had a great day and found all the new cars you like. And if there's no stores where you live, you can always order these models online. Starting off here with my favorite new Kmart model, it's the gray version of the Corvette C7 Z06. For the old school muscle car fans, we have a yellow color of the 68 Chevy Nova with black flames. Here we have another great car. It's a clean gray color of the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. And the fourth exclusive car for today's Kmart event is the lime melon flavor of the Experimotors Carbonator. So there we have the highlights of the Hot Wheels February Kmart event. If you purchase 20 cars in-store or online, you can mail in to receive the Collector Edition 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.